Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're discussing Netflix's new password-sharing crackdown in the US. Netflix is now restricting sharing accounts outside of a single household. Here's what you can do to keep enjoying Netflix. What's happening? Netflix is now requiring users to verify devices accessing their account if they're not in the same household. This means if you're sharing your account with friends or family outside your home, Netflix will detect it and ask for verification. What can you do? Get separate accounts. Encourage others to create their own Netflix accounts. Create profiles. Within your household, create profiles for each family member to keep recommendations separate. Profile transfer. If someone is moving to their own account, they can transfer their profile with all their history. Use travel mode. Traveling? Make sure your devices are registered on your home network first. Check for extra member option. Netflix may allow adding extra members for a fee in the future. Watch for that option. What happens if you don't comply? If you don't follow the new rules, Netflix may block access from unauthorized devices or require account upgrades. That's all for today's update. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips.